In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your time entry photos. You will only have time entry photos if you have set up a time clock that takes photos of your employees when they clock on and off. This is used to prevent buddy punching, where an employee will allow someone else to clock on and off for them. If you don't have employee time photos set up, you do need to talk to TeamWork 5, and you're going to have to get the correct time clocks with cameras. So to view your time photos, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Review. From your drop-down menu, choose Photos. You should arrive at your TeamWork 5 time photo chart. You can see the location of the time entry, the name of the employee, the date the time entry was created, when they clocked on, when they clocked off, the type of time entry, and how many hours they worked. You'll notice that the last two employees don't have a clock off time. That's because they are currently working. If this organization required time photos, you would see the photo next to the location. You would see the employee's picture. That way you can make sure it was actually that employee who clocked on and off. To change the date of the photo entries you're viewing, you can use the forward or backward arrows or the calendar icon. If I wanted, I could click the calendar icon, go back a month, and look at a day from last month. I could also look at more than a day at a time. If I click the arrow next to day, I could choose to view a day, a week, a pay period, or a range. Maybe I'll choose a week. Now I'm seeing all the time entries for this week. Again, if you require time entry photos, this is where you go to check those. That's how you view time photos in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.